Hey guys, I'm Adrienne from Adventures of Carlienne. And if you all been getting a little cray-cray stuck at home, we have the perfect dish for you, the Loco Moco. If you've never had it, it's a delicious hamburger patty topped with gravy, a fried egg, all over rice, and it's an explosion of flavor. So let's get into it.
Okay, to get this Loco Moco going, it's going to be 3 parts. Your hamburger patties, which consist of ground beef, eggs, milk, bread, beef base, onions, and black pepper. Your gravy, which is butter, flour, beef stock, salt and pepper. And your eggs is just eggs, guys. It's eggs. So the first thing we're going to do is make our patties. And you're going to combine 1 cup of milk and your 3 eggs together. Give that a little mixy. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of beef base. Now beef base is kind of like a paste that you use to make soups and stocks and things. But I like to use beef base for intensifying like meat flavors. Intensifying. Not intensifying, guys. Nothing's flying away. Then you're going to add about 3 slices of your favorite white bread. I like white bread just because it has more flavor than any of that like whole wheat or whatever that healthy stuff is. Then you're gonna add 1/8 cup of diced onions and give that a really good mixy. Now we're gonna add 2.5 pounds of ground beef, and I like to add it in 2 stages, so half and half is just fine. It makes it a lot easier to mix together. Otherwise, you're gonna be doing a workout, which is fine if you're into that. Now, one of the most important steps of this whole process is making a tester. And it's going to make sure you have a very flavorful patty. Season it if it needs re-seasoning, and if it's good, give it a hip thrust of approval and let's get cooking. We're going to bring a pan to about a medium-high heat, and we're going to use a spatula to flatten those suckers out. Now, there's a kitchen secret among chefs that if you stare at it for long enough, it'll cook faster, so do it. Now, I'll show you 2 ways to flip this thing. You can flip it cool like that with no hands, or you can be safe and use a spatula. Whichever you choose, the taste is going to be the same. Now while you're finishing off the patties, you're going to go ahead and set up your plate. Now that's 2 scoops of rice, get it nice and flattened, then go ahead and plop those 2 patties right on top. Now don't wash this pan, you're going to use the juices to make the gravy. And all you're going to need is about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of flour, and 2 to 2.5 cups of beef stock. We're really looking for a nice, velvety, thick kind of gravy that we can put on top of our rice. And when it's there, you're going to go ahead and taste it, salt and pepper if you need, and then drizzle it right on top of that patty. Let it ooze all over the rice, and let's get these eggs going. So all you're going to do is a simple fried egg. You can do sunny side up, you can do over easy, over medium, over hard, whatever you like, and you're just going to go ahead and place it right on top of your Loco Moco. Of course, don't forget your mac salad, give it a little green onion garnish, and there you have it, a nice homemade ooey gooey Loco Moco. Ooh, that money shot, look at that yolk. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification. Give us a like. And let us know in the comments if you have any requests for things to cook at home. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.